Hey guys, News Now Wyoming here, bringing another episode. This one we're looking at the Bryant versus Stupid Deputies here in Cheyenne, Wyoming, Laramie County. And this one's kind of a weird filing. Wyoming has extremely strict public records laws. Our Sunshine State or Sunshine laws are horrible. You can't get police reports. You can't get a lot of stuff as a member of the public. Our government likes to keep things secret. And so this is not a filing I've seen really outside of Wyoming, but we're seeing it here. And this is a stipulated order. But the parties have agreed that the documents being produced are protected from disclosure or prohibited from disclosure pursuant to various Wyoming statutes, and hereby stipulate and move this court for entry for the protective order, allowing plaintiffs to obtain the documents and limiting disclosure and use of the documents. So, in other words, the plaintiff can't get, Mr. Bryant can't get the documents and share them with me to show that, yes, these deputies have been disciplined 20 times. Again, here in Wyoming, I have no right to view any police officer's negative history. I don't have a right to view that here in Wyoming. That's not something that we have here because, again, our public records laws are probably one of the worst in the nation overall. Pisses me off because everything I ever request is always denied. I am denied by the government more often than I am denied for dates. I probably because I actually never ask for a date, but there we go. So what are we looking at? Confidential is used herein through the Public Records Act, the Juvenile Justice Act, concerning records involving allegations of child abuse or neglect, concerning local government insurance programs. The term document is not limited to pamphlets, letters, reports, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Any confidential documents or pleadings, motions, memoranda, deposition, transcript, or other papers which refer to or attach confidential documents may be submitted or filed with the court only under seal pursuant to court policy. So again, you guys, this is saying a lot of stuff is going to be under seal. So if the police have, if the stupid deputies, if they have any of the any actions taken against them in the past, if they've been bad cops, if disciplinary actions, stuff like that, that's all private. So I'm not ever going to be able to see that. And so you, the public, we, the public, are not going to be able to see that. We don't have that right. Now, as we look through the rest of it, Devin did reach out to me and say, hey, look again, there have been updates. I'm not really seeing anything else. I do see the last video I did was on the motion for judgment granting the commissioner's cases to be dismissed. That was on those Monell claims. Remember, I said from when they first came in that they didn't have a Monell claim. I didn't see it. The judge agreed. So I'm not seeing anything else in here. I'm certainly going to keep an eye. And Devin, if there's something I was supposed to see that I'm not, please make sure I know. Reach out to me. Come to my Discord. You know how to message on YouTube, obviously. So write a comment. I'll see it. Come to my Discord. Whatever it takes. Let me know. Wave it down. Flag it. But as of right now, I'm not seeing anything big or important that is really worthy of a video. I did want to do a video because he, again, waved that down. And I want to rant about our state public records because, my God, the things that are not part of public records here in Wyoming, other states are like, What? You can't even get that? My brother was in a car accident, okay? And I went to go get a copy of the car accident report. I couldn't get it. Another brother was arrested. I couldn't get the arrest report. Only he can get the arrest report. But he was in jail, so he couldn't get it at the time because the police department wouldn't give it to him while he was in jail. So, I mean, there's so much stupidity and public records, you guys. Other states have such huge open, and that's the way it should be. We want transparency. We want cameras in the courts. However, here in Wyoming, our courts, I can go to the county court website and click a button to listen to the court to see if they're in session. That's openness here in Wyoming. Are they in session? No, there's no docket. There's nothing like that. Nothing provided. But they've just, if there's no sound, then they're not in session. That's the indicator that they're in session. I've asked if I can, I called the county clerk and asked if they could email me the court docket on a day I had something I wanted to watch. And they said no, I would have to come and get one. What is this, 2021, what is this, 1999? 1990? Now, and I did write a letter because during Kyle Rittenhouse's trial at the end there, during one of Judge Schrader's rants, Judge Schrader was ranting against the media presence and the media backlash against him, them always criticizing him, etc. I ended up writing to Judge Schrader saying that if it wasn't for the media or the live streaming of that court, I would have never been able to form my own opinion. The only thing I would have been able to go off of is what was presented and to the media, or what the media presented to us. And the answer to media bias is not to kick out the media. It is to make it easier for we the people to see transparency. That is the answer. Alright, you guys, I really went off topic there. Still less than 10 minutes, so I guess pretty good. But thank you guys for joining. I hope to have more information soon. This case is an interesting one. This is the one where Devin, cops came to his house to check on him. When he refused to show them his arms, they reached into his house, pulled him out, and then arrested him for resisting arrest, for not being under arrest, because they didn't tell him he was under arrest when they tried to pull him out. I mean, it was circular logic. It was stupidity, but we'll see what happens here, you guys. I want nothing but the best for Devin. I want this case to win. But I want it to come out of the deputies' pockets. They were the ones that did wrong. Alright, guys, have a good one. I will see you in the next video.